Hi, and welcome to another software release update video for Access OS, the operating system that powers our Access Network devices. My name is Thomas and I'm with the Access OS product management team at Access Communications. In today's video we will go through features and updates in Access OS 12.6. In general updates, we now enforce upgrade paths. We have also added support for custom headers in HTTP and HTTPS based video streams. Furthermore, we have added support for access scene metadata to provide a cropped snapshot for each detected object. Also, audit logs can now be viewed directly in the web interface. In Access Object Analytics, we have made optimizations for metadata overlay, improved trigger condition for fisheye cameras, and added granularity in timer slider for tailgating. Apart from that, we have also made a number of other performance updates. When it comes to cybersecurity, we have updated Apache, OpenSSL, and curl to address a number of CVEs. We have also added support for IEEE 802.1x and 802.1ae Max Security or MACsec server to access S3008 and S3008 Mark II. Other products have had this since Access OS 11.8. To avoid potential problems when upgrading, we now make sure that users only upgrade in certain recommended steps. For example, if you want to upgrade a product from 11.861 to 12.656, you first have to upgrade to the latest LTS on the 11 track before you can jump to the 12 track. Note that this is only required if settings are to be kept intact. If you factory default the product when upgrading, you can jump directly to the desired Access OS version. Audit logs were added to Access OS 12.5 and we have now added the possibility to view them from the product's web interface as well. More information can be found in Access OS knowledge base. We have added the possibility to make access scene metadata take a cropped out snapshot, including an extra margin of each detected object. Securing interconnected access devices is essential. When connecting an access device with an access device ID and MACsec enabled, the S3008 performs 802.1x EAP TLS authentication by verifying the device's ID certificate. After successful authentication, MACsec negotiates to protect the Layer 2 network traffic. This new feature is enabled in the factory default state and during a standard Access OS upgrade to version 12.6. I also want to mention that we updated the host-based firewall topic in the Access OS knowledge base. You'll find information on how to configure it in Access OS 12.5 and later, as well as in versions 11.9 to 12.4. And that concludes the Access OS 12.6 release update. Stay tuned for the upcoming video content covering the Access OS 12.7 release in November. Thank you for tuning in. Please explore the provided links for more information and subscribe to our Access OS playlist on YouTube. Until next time, take care and goodbye.